Changing Media Landscape and Society Hiram Asida Nomagi Oiba National Conference among us Manipur University Department of Mass Communication Sinduna University Asigi Senate Holda Pangthokre Conference Aduba Hodopagi Thoramda Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor 𝗡𝗚𝗡𝗥 Chief Guest University Asigi Dean of Social Sciences Professor 𝗡𝗚𝗡 Devi Bhopal gi Makhallan 𝗡𝗚𝗡𝗥 National University of Journalism gi Hanagi Vice Chancellor Professor 𝗡𝗚𝗡𝗥𝗘𝗡 Anina Guest of Honor Amade Department of Mass Communication Manipur University gi Head Dr. 𝗡𝗚𝗡𝗥 Devi na preside tauke Tharongmari Lenana Vice Chancellor Professor 𝗡𝗚𝗡𝗥 na haikibada Media landscape ta hojik chauna ahongba ama lagliba si digital platform singda pau sing phongnarakpa asine tongan ba news channel kaya loinana print media kaya ama hojiksu adumak leiri adubo digital media platform singda aikoina hojik pau thagalakpa thingnare masi punamak asi media house sing asina digitalization torakpa asinane masina maram oiraga haukiba chahi 15 rom asida India gi media gi market ase Digitalization asina maram oiraga yamna chauna ahongba amada lakre haike.
The image of a state, the idea of a small state, which was always projected to be an inclusive, multi-ethnic state, which the people have inherited from the past, that entire thing, the idea which had been very well established in many of the textbooks as well as in many of the well-established and well-written books, which have been read and which have been accepted as a very authentic book, have been very rapidly and very swiftly distorted, twisted, and dismantled. And that is the power of the media, the contemporary digital media that we are having. The earlier, the traditional media, print, radio, and even television have been sidelined, and in its place, the new media of social media in various forms, internet, completely replaced it, and this is a very exciting and this is a very interesting phase of the growth